What's going on, everybody? Sexy Chocolate 4K here, and we are about to do an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch OLED. Let's begin. So here's the box. I just arrived 2 minutes ago. I'm so excited. Here I got the Mario edition. So let's go ahead and let's open it up. First, we have the Switch OLED. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I didn't think I was going to get one of these. So here's the Joy-Cons. Beautiful. And here's the OLED Switch, which is beautiful. Oh my gosh. We'll set that aside for a minute. Here's your paperwork, which I'm going to have to read. Here is the power adapter for charging. Here's the HDMI cable. Here is the Joy-Con grip. Here is, oh yeah, it comes with the little straps. And last but not least, here is the Switch dock. And that's everything that comes in the box. Alright, so first of all, I really need to invest in a tripod, but for now, we'll take a look at the Joy-Cons. So we will pop, I'm so excited, y'all. I've been waiting. Oh, just slid out. Holy crap. So this is what the Joy-Con looks like. I know what you guys are thinking. We know what it is. I'm so excited. So here is the tablet. Now I am going to be getting a case. A screen protector for it. Wow. This thing is nice. Okay. You got the little kickstand on it. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a screen protector for this. I don't even know how it goes on. I think it goes on. Hold on. I think it goes on like this. And then to take it off, you hit the button. Oh yeah, so it goes on just like that. Wow, this thing is bigger than I thought. This thing is gigantic. Feels really nice in the hand. I'm going to give you guys a look around. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like standing up. I can push it all the way down. I can push it all the way up. That's pretty cool. Next, we're going to unbox the... And literally, I've been waiting. I've never had a game console before. So this is the Red Edition. Oh, it comes with 2 USB ports. That's amazing. Okay. So I'm just going to plug all this in. Here's the HDMI. I've been waiting for this. This is going to enhance my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, this is all mine. I never thought in a million years I'd be getting one. Alright. Got the HDMI cable, which I'm going to need to extend all the way out. Alrighty, let's see. I should be showing this, so just in case you guys don't know, we're going to plug one end in here. Hopefully it's in. I don't want to break it, although I don't want to break it. And I'm just going to set this up real quick. Actually, I think I'm going to take out the power adapter. I'm excited, you guys. My first gaming console ever. This is exciting. And this is USB-C, so I'm assuming that goes in through there. And that plugs. I don't want to break it. And then we're going to put that back on like that, I think. I think that's how it goes. Yeah. And yeah. Now we're going to plug it in the wall. Oh, good lordy. I'm going to put you guys right there for a minute. I'll not want it to fall. I just not gonna break this, so I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna have to plug it in, you guys. Give me 1 minute. Oh shit! Well, that's a problem. I'm trying to plug this damn thing in. I'm gonna unplug this and plug that right in there. So now it's plugged in. I don't know if there's supposed to be a light on for it or not. So it's plugged in. And now I'm going to hook up the HDMI to the TV. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Alrighty. Oh, shoot. Alright, I'm going to put that there for right now. Oh, shit. And that's why. Hold on a minute. Hold on, y'all. Everyone wants to call me, man. Oh, shoot. Hold on, y'all. Jesus. Alright, so we're going to plug that in directly into the TV like that. Hold on, y'all. Everybody's calling me now. Hold on, y'all.